prayer is very, very important. As long as food is important for human being, as long as water is so important, that is the same. As long as moisturizer is important for the body, sunscreen, makeup, you do your makeup, you make your hair, you try and keep your nails clean. As much as all those things are important, that's how your prayer life is also important as well. Hi besties, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, hi, welcome. Now let me tell you this, today's video is going to hit different because I want to share with you guys a simple but powerful practice that can completely transform your prayer journey. I don't know guys, you are going to manage my voice today. I don't know, maybe I want to have cat or but just help me to manage it. Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever I drop a new video. Like, comment and share. I love you. So if you're like me, prayer has always been a very vital part of my spiritual journey, of my spiritual life. But sometimes we can get caught up with our daily routine, activities, or even get distracted, right? So sometimes we might forget to pray, or like neglect prayer, or sometimes we don't even know what to pray about. So these are all the things that I would like to discuss, or these are the things that I'm going to talk about in this video. Now first of all, I want you guys to know that prayer is so important. Like prayer is so important. I don't know if you are watching me and you don't really know how to pray, or you don't usually pray. I would advise you to get back on track. Get back to your prayer life. Get started with your prayer life, because prayer is so important. Secondly, now you need to center your heart. Okay, you want to pray. Now it is time for you to center your heart. You know that you want to connect with the divine. So this is how it works. You are going to pause for a while, close your eyes and then pause for a while. You don't need to say anything, you don't need to ask for anything. Prayer isn't even all about asking God for anything. It's about being present with God. Do you get? So you need to just close your eyes, take a pause, just be still. Let your mind and your soul be still. Don't think about anything or whatsoever that pops in your head. Don't think about whatsoever. Just be still. Close your eyes and just pause. Just breathe. Breathe in, breathe out. Do you get? This is more like meditation, like if you know what that means. It's more like you're meditating. Do you get? So you just close your eyes and just take a pause and just be quiet. Just be present with God. Sometimes some people do hear God from this practice, and sometimes something might just pop your mind or your heart, and you're not thinking about it at all. So from there you can start like talking to God. I think we're still going together. So the second step is for you to center your heart. Try and center your heart, clean your heart, like take away anything, any thoughts, any whatsoever, take it away and just center your heart to God. Now the third step is how to apply it to your prayer life. Once you centered your heart for prayer, you can begin your prayer. Now instead of rushing to list out everything you want, like everything, all your requests, try and say this instead, like, God, I'm here, I'm ready to listen to you. Do you get? Like once your heart is still and you're ready to, you prepare yourself to listen, to hear God's voice, and then you communicate, you talk to God like, God, I'm here, I want to hear from you. And then just be still. This four part or this segment is about letting you know the benefits of this practice. The benefit of all this practice is that when you center your heart to God, it's more or less like you open your space, like you give God the space to talk to you, to walk. Like it's more or less like a spiritual reset. It helps reduce stress, it helps reduce anxiety or whatsoever. So it helps you to build a deeper connection with God. Do you get? That was why I said the first step is the importance of prayer. It's very important. Prayer is very, very important. As long as food is important for human being, as long as water is so important, that is the same. As long as moisturizer is important for the body, you know, sunscreen, makeup, you do your makeup, you make your hair, you try and keep your nails clean. As much as all those things are important, that's how your prayer life is also important as well. So I want you to take your prayer life very, very important. And the benefit of it is that it helps to build a great connection, like a deeper connection with God. I think I've said that earlier. And it also creates room for our hearts to align with God's purpose. Do you get? It helps our heart to align with God's purpose, and it helps you to get revelation. You know, for some people that dream a lot, it helps you to get revelation from God. It helps you to communicate with God on a deeper level. I've said that too. Prayer is just so important. Faith is so serious. So I challenge you next week. Make sure you set some time next week, each day, not once a week. Each day to set time to pray, to focus on God, and to communicate with God. Check it. So I'm going to end this video here. This video is not going to be like, it's just more or less like, it's not like a long video. It's more or less like trying to like connect with you guys to let you know how important prayer is and how you can set your heart each day to communicate with God, because I really want you guys to start praying. If you don't pray before, please, I beg of you, start praying now. If you don't pray before, if you don't take your prayer life before, especially if you feel like something is not going on, like something is wrong with your life, or things are not going the way you expected, it is high time for you to take your prayer life seriously. Or if you're going to spiritual attack, or you're depressed, you're going to anxiety, it is time for you to take your prayer life seriously. Okay, so I'm going to end this video now. Thank you so much for watching. I really love you guys, and I hope that you guys are going to take your prayer life seriously, and you're going to do the challenge that I told you to do today, next week. Don't forget. So I love you, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.